Welcome allesammans, this is just a quick video about how to set up the Longship-Board. Some of you have bought it already and had a little trouble setting it up, so this video is for you. And for the rest of you who might want to buy it too, it's on sale this week, half off only, so check that out if you're interested. That's a great time to have it. So, the first thing, it'll come disassembled in this box. That's just to save space and protect it along the way. It's all wrapped up, but everything you are going to need to put it together will be in there. So first of all, you have to decide which side you're going to put the head and tail on. The flat side will be the front, usually, depending on how you like to ride, but you can reverse it too. But for me, the angle that goes up towards the back on the back of the skateboard, that will be for the tail. So the important part, and only thing that might get a little bit tricky, is here. You have to put the tailpiece on top of the board, then underneath that goes the rubber risers, and underneath that goes the trucks, and then you fasten it all together with the nuts and bolts. The ones right here are going to go in pretty easily, but the ones right up next to the tailpiece, you might have to screw in a little bit slow, because I wanted to make the tailpiece as thick as possible so they don't go in super easy. But if you screw it a little bit, one half turn at a time, it will go in just fine. So that's about it. Put it all together and you are ready to ride. Hope you enjoyed, but that's all for today. Vi ses nästa gång.